everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with another unboxing for you. No idea what's in here, but we shall see. Let's find out together. Bibi's snubbing me today. She won't come over. And poor Charlie, he was so sick last night. He had a really rough night. And today he just doesn't want to do anything. Kind of like me. Just want to hang out and relax. But he's better. Don't worry. So here's the toolkit. Hey, this is different. Look at this. Can you see? The wax is in a round circle. I've never seen that. Single pink pen, green boat, tweezers, which makes me think this is a square, and it is, oh, this is pretty. It's precious. It's a 35 by 30 full drill square, and it's a lovely bouquet of peonies, my favorite. I will put the image up for you. This unwrapped and take a good look at the canvas. It's a little smaller than I would normally get. You know, I like 30 by 40 is my go-to size, but it's not much smaller. So, I mean, it should be just fine. This is really good packaging. It's wrapped around the foam core, which to me always means the diamond painting is really gonna be wrapped tight. So now for the fun part of peeling back the paper. So if you're new to diamond painting, when your diamond painting comes in with this plastic paper on it, and it's really rolled up tight, you can see I'm struggling to flatten it out. And when you flatten it out, all of a sudden there's big creases in the paper. So to get this to lay flat, you simply peel up the paper and then put it back down. When it's this tightly curled, the paper does not like to cooperate. So just peel it in small sections. I'm going to get this far enough that I can show you. There's the bouquet. It's just a little glass vase so you can see the stems. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. I'll put the image up for you. So once I did that side, I pressed the paper back down. Don't be afraid to peel the paper up and put it back down. It's not going to dry out in 2 seconds. In fact, I would wager it takes weeks. But you do want to keep the adhesive layer covered because you don't want dust or dog hair. Luckily, I have hypoallergenic dogs that don't shed, but I shed a lot. So, it keeps all the dust and the hair and everything out of it. There we go. Oh, I didn't even show you up close. Let's look up close. There's some nice confetti in this one. Some people don't like that, but I love it because it just keeps me busy. I like sitting there and changing colors and changing colors. Beautiful! And I was a little worried about the size, but it just goes to show that, you know, big things come in small packages sometimes. Beautiful diamond painting. Nice kit. Oh, my husband must be home. Here's all the drills. I will do the inventory tonight. The link will be in the description of the video, as well as information on the drills and whether or not they're all there. So that's it. I'll catch you in the next video. You have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. And happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.